Hello everyone. Let us learn alphabet letters from M to R while drawing pictures for each letter. Okay? Now, let's write the first letter, letter M. The sound of letter M is M. The sound of letter M is M. The first picture we are drawing here for the letter M, that's right, it is a mango. Shall we write the spelling? M A N G O, mango. And the next one, can you guess the next picture? It starts with letter M. Yes, that's right, it is a mat. Shall we write the spelling? M A T, mat. And the next picture, it is a man. M A N, man. After M, letter N. The sound of letter N is N. The first picture we are drawing for this is nose. N-O-S-E, nose. Okay. Now the next picture we are drawing for letter N is, can you guess the picture? That's right, it is a nest. Birds build it on a branch, on a tree. N-E-S-T, nest. Now we shall go to the third picture. We shall draw it. Can you guess the picture? Yes, it is a net. N-E-T, net. Now, the next letter is O. The sound of letter O is O. The sound of letter O is O. With letter O, we are drawing a orange. O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. And next, with letter O, we are drawing a sea animal, octopus. O-C-T-O-P-U-S, octopus. And the next picture, can you guess the picture? It's an onion. O-N-I-O-N, onion. Alright, for the next letter, what's the next letter after O? P. The sound of letter P is P. The sound of letter P is P. The first picture we are drawing here for letter P is, that's right, parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. And the next one, plant. P-L-A-N-T, plant. And the next picture, yes, that's right, it is a pencil. Shall we write the spelling? P-E-N-C-I-L, P-E-N-C-I-L, pencil. The next letter after P is Q. The sound of letter Q is Q. The sound of letter Q is Q. Here we are drawing a feather pen which is called quill. Okay? Q-U-I-L-L, quill, pen made from feathers. And the next picture we are drawing here is queen. With letter Q, we shall write queen. Shall we write the spelling now? Q-U-E-E-N, queen. And the next picture, it is a bird, a small bird, which its name starts with Q. Shall we write the spelling? Q-U-A-I-L, quail. The bird's name is quail. After Q, we shall write letter R. The sound of letter R is R. With letter R, we are writing a rose. We are drawing a rose. We shall write the spelling R-O-S-E, rose. And the next one, that's right, it is a ring. R-I-N-G, ring. Can you guess the third picture for the letter R? It's a small animal you see everywhere. That's right, it is a rat. Shall we write the spelling? R-A-T, rat. Now, let's look at all the pictures. With letter M, mango, mat, man. With letter N, nose, nest, net. With letter O, orange, octopus, onion. With letter P, parrot, plant, pencil. With letter Q, quill, queen, quell. With letter R, rose, ring, rat. Thank you for watching this video. From letter S to Z we shall look at in the next video. Please share, like and subscribe.